Are you trying to apply for job at Accenture but keep getting this error? Your CV already exists in our database or your application already exists. I know this is very frustrating when you are trying to apply for a role which is perfect for you, but because of this single error, you are not able to do so. If you got stuck like this, you have to wait for whole 6 months before you can apply for another role. And that's why I'm here today to give you solution to bypass this error and able to apply for a dream job which you want at Accenture. Before we jump into the solution, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so because I regularly make this kind of content which helps you get into a top company like Accenture. And your support motivates me to keep showing up for you. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe Corporate Wala. Okay, so first thing first, why does this error happen? So Accenture has a strict policy in India. If you have already applied for any job in past 6 months, you cannot apply for another role, and also you cannot apply for two positions simultaneously. And to enforce this, their system keep your basic details saved, such as your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and so on. They do this to avoid any duplicate applications because every day thousands of applications get submitted to Accenture for job, and let's say if one person will apply for 5 different jobs, it will waste the time of their recruitment team and valuable resources. And also they have a strict policy. They want to give everyone a fair and equal chance of employment, and that's why they allow only one application at a time during 6 months. Okay, so now we have understood why this problem happened. Now let's look for the solution. That is why you are here. So the first method is very simple and I'll show you step by step. And for that, I'll take you to my computer screen. Okay, so we are at my computer screen. What you have to do, first, you need to visit Accenture candidate profile page. Here you will get two options, sign in with Google and sign in with your email. So I'm going to click on email. Then I'll put my details here and log in. Once you log in, this page will open. What you have to do, just drag down. You will see this section of my application, and here you will see active and inactive sections. What you have to do, because right now I don't have any active applications, I am not seeing anything here, but in your case you must be seeing here active applications. What you have to do, just click on that and you will get an option of withdrawing your candidature. Once you do so, your application will move from active to inactive, and you can go and check that out. You will see like I have withdrew this application earlier, and you will be able to see that your candidature is withdrawn successfully. If you have one or more positions here, you have to withdraw them. This is the first method. Now I have two more methods for you. If this does not work out for you, you can try them out. The second method is you have to come on this web page, which is candidate data rights page. This is by Accenture, and what you have to do, come here and you have to select this option that remove me from all recruitment database. Then you have to provide details like your first name, your last name, your email which you use while applying for any job, and your current organization or company name. And then in country, you have to select your country, which is I believe India for most of you. Once you do it, you have to just click here, I agree, I'm not a robot, and submit. So if you follow these two methods, I'm sure your problem will resolve. But let's suppose in case these two methods did not work out, I have another option which you can use. Sometimes what happens, we apply for the job, but we never receive any response from the HR team or any callback from them. For this method to work out, you need to create a completely fresh application using your alternate email ID and phone number. Make sure this number and email ID should be something which you have never used in past while applying for Accenture job. Put your new email address and phone number. This makes the system think that it is a fresh application and you will be able to apply. One very important thing here, if you have applied for any job at Accenture in last 6 months and got rejected during the interview process, do not try this method because this violates their policy of giving fair and equal opportunity to everyone. Use this method only if you have applied for the job but never got to hear back from the HR team. And due to this, your application shows already exists even though you have not got a fair chance to apply for the job and went through the interview process. If you are not able to find the portals which I have shared in this video, comment link and I will share the direct link with you. And if you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment. Give a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any such important videos in future as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.